Imagine a world darker than the blackest coal, a shadow lurking out in the deepest, most unforgiving corners of the cosmic void. Welcome to TrES-2b, discovered in the year 2006 by the Transatlantic Exoplanet Survey. This celestial anomaly defies everything we thought we knew about planetary physics. Sitting exactly 750 light-years away from Earth, it holds a terrifying and baffling record. It absorbs 99% of the visible light that hits it. It is the darkest planet ever found in the known universe, a literal black hole of a gas giant that swallows starlight and gives absolutely nothing back. Our journey takes us directly into the heart of the Draco constellation, the Dragon. Here lies the host star GSC 03549-02811, a G0V classification star very similar to our own Sun. But TrES-2b orbits this star at a dangerously close, almost suicidal distance of just 0.0367 astronomical units. To put that extreme proximity in perspective, that is 14 times closer than Mercury is to our blazing Sun, while Earth sits at a safe and comfortable distance of 150 million kilometers from our star. TrES-2b is practically kissing the scorching flames of its master. Do not let the darkness fool you into thinking this is a small, insignificant rock. This is a true cosmic monster. TrES-2b is classified as a hot Jupiter, a brutal class of massive gas giants. Its radius is exactly 1.272 times the radius of our own massive Jupiter. This gives it a staggering measurement of approximately 90,000 kilometers in total radius. And it isn't just bloated by the heat of its star, it possesses immense gravitational muscle. It boasts a total mass of 1.253 times Jupiter's mass, making it a heavyweight champion of the dark. Here is where the physics of this dark world get incredibly strange. Despite having a crushing mass of 2.38 circumflex 27 kilograms, its massive heat-expanded radius means its overall density is surprisingly low. The average density of TrES-2b is only 0.75 grams per cubic centimeter. For comparison, the density of pure liquid water here on Earth is exactly 1.0 gram per cubic centimeter. This means that despite its terrifying scale, this massive dark giant would actually float like an apple if you could somehow find an ocean vast enough to hold it. Because it sits so incredibly close to the gravitational well of its star, the concept of time on TrES-2b is heavily distorted and violently fast. A full year on this planet, the exact time it takes to complete a full 360-degree orbit, lasts only 2.47063 Earth days. Yes, you heard that right. If you stood on this nightmare world, you would celebrate a new year every 59.3 hours. It moves with terrifying velocity, permanently trapped in an incredibly tight, frantic and endless race around a burning inferno. Let's talk about the absolute darkness. In astronomy, we use a term called albedo to measure the percentage of light a planet reflects. A standard lump of black coal reflects about 10% of light. But TrES-2b, its albedo ranges from a maximum of 1% down to a horrifyingly low 0.04%. This means that out of 100% of the intense, blinding starlight bombarding it from close range, it eats almost every single photon. It reflects less light than black acrylic paint. Being so close to a star while absorbing all that incoming energy comes with a horrific consequence: extreme, unimaginable heat. The surface temperature of TrES-2b is a blistering 980 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 1253 Kelvin. At these temperatures, the planet isn't just hot, it literally emits a faint red glow, much like a heated electric stove coil in a pitch-black room. If you introduced water to this environment, it wouldn't just boil at its standard 100 degrees Celsius, it would instantly be obliterated into superheated plasma. So, why is it so incredibly black? The answer lies in its highly toxic alien atmosphere. Astronomers believe it lacks the reflective ammonia clouds found on Jupiter, which normally reflect over 50% of incoming light. Instead, the intense heat vaporizes chemical elements. The atmosphere is highly saturated, reaching nearly 100% capacity with vaporized sodium, potassium, and heavy compounds like titanium oxide and vanadium oxide (VO). These specific gaseous metals act as the ultimate cosmic sponge, ensuring that 99% of visible light vanishes forever into the deep, heavy gas layers. Due to the extreme gravitational pull of the host star, TrES-2b is totally tidally locked. This means the planet operates on a strict one spin-orbit ratio, taking the exact same amount of time to rotate once on its axis as it does to orbit the star. Therefore, 100% of the time, the exact same face points toward the blazing inferno, while the other faces the freezing, empty void. This creates a brutal environment where the temperature difference between the day side and the night side is more than 500 degrees. TrES-2b remains one of the most enigmatic and terrifying objects in our galaxy. First spotted in 2006, it proved that our understanding of planetary physics was dangerously incomplete. Sitting 750 light-years away in the dark, it forces us to ask what other shadow-drenched worlds are out there, hiding out of sight. We can be 100% certain that the universe has darker, more bizarre secrets yet to be uncovered by humanity. Subscribe to Space and Earth for more secrets of the universe.